name is Paula, and welcome to Live Blessed TV. This is my first video for this channel, and I'm telling y'all, I'm so nervous. But anyway, I wanted to take a moment to tell you why I decided to do this. For a couple years, I have watched many YouTube channels, and I have received loads of tips and great ideas and encouragement from those channels. But one day someone said, well, you like talking to people. Why don't you do a YouTube channel? And I'm thinking to myself, oh, I don't know about that, you know. But so being the outgoing person that I am, okay, I decided to do it. Go ahead and do it. Yes, it is a challenge. Okay, so I thought about it. And I said, well, what should I talk about? I don't know. So I set out to list a whole bunch of stuff on paper, and stuff just kept coming. When I write something down, something else came, and this. Okay, so that's what I did. So I had to list. I had a list so long that it surprised me. I'm thinking, wow, okay. So once I had a list of topics, I decided, you know, that I need to call my channel something. It just can't be my YouTube channel, period. So after taking inventory of my life and the things that I've gone through, which will be in an episode a lot later, I asked myself, you know, how do I really feel? And the answer came to me, blessed. I felt blessed. I felt blessed, and I wanted other people to feel that way also. No. Did I have everything that I needed? No. Did I have everything that I even wanted? No, I did not. Were all of my bills paid? No. Was money just pouring in? No. But I felt in myself that I'm blessed. I am so, so blessed. And when you hear my story, you'll understand why. See, I'm a Christian, and I believe that whatever I set my mind on, I set my heart toward. And what I set my heart toward is what will come out of my mouth. And what comes out of my mouth is what controls my actions. And what controls my actions, that is what comes to me. Do I always hit the nail on the head? No, absolutely not. But, you know, if I readjust my thinking, ultimately, I can readjust what comes to me. I believe that if I live blessed, which means without fear, doubt, insecurity, that my life will be blessed. So I chose to name this channel Live Blessed TV. I do not claim to have all the answers. I am no expert in any topic. I just know that life is so worth living. And so with this channel, we will promote and publicize positive people who are living a blessed life, from music to art, crafts, cooking, decorating, shopping, home organization, careers, etc. The list can go on and on. And, you know, if you would like to be a part of this channel, just like, subscribe, comment to it so that we can stay, you know, in touch with one another, and, you know, you can have questions or anything like that. But I'm rambling now, so I'm going to stop. But remember, living blessed is a state of mind. When you live blessed, more blessings are attracted to you. God bless.